Hey everyone, and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at a simple but interesting metric, the GitHub stars. This one measures how popular a project's code is within the developer community. On GitHub, anyone can star a repository. It's like a bookmark combined with a like. It signals that someone found the code interesting, useful, or worth following. Stars represent visibility and recognition within the developer and tech community. A high number of stars means the code is widely known, respected, and watched by developers worldwide. It's a popularity and reputation signal complementary to the commit and active developers metrics. Stars tell you about perception, commits and devs tell you about actual work. So let's take a look at Ethereum with a technology score of 98 over 100. When we scroll down, we can see the GitHub star clearly in green. Why? Because with 188,914 stars, that's massive, one of the most tiered projects in all of open source, not just crypto. The entire developer world knows and follows Ethereum's code. If we take a completely different project with Shiba Inu, which is a meme coin with a technology score of 23 over 100, when we scroll down, we can see that the GitHub stars is still in green, but with 92 stars, this is where you need to take it with a pinch of salt. Shiba has a massive community, millions of holders, but only 92 people find the code interesting enough to star on GitHub. That tells you everything about the nature of the project. The interest is in the speculation, clearly not in the technology. When there are no stars at all, CryptoScores simply doesn't show the indicators, no data, no display. So use GitHub stars as a reputation signal within the tech community. High stars combined with active development, the project is both respected and actively built. High stars with no recent commits, the code was interesting once, but maybe outdated. Low stars despite active development, the project might be flying under the radar, which could be an opportunity or a concern, depending on the context. And remember, stars measure perception, not quality. They're one piece of the puzzle, not the whole picture. GitHub stars, how the developer world sees this project. Check it on cryptoscores.com, and we will see you there on the next one.